I confess that it's not a great area of expertise, and I haven't given a great deal of thought to the new coalition because I know very little about them. I knew a little bit about Salvini. Thank God he's gone, at least temporarily, though there may be a resurgence of neo-fascism in Italy because it is burgeoning all over Europe. We now have Boris Johnson in the UK and Poland and Hungary and on and on and on. So we live through very trying times where the powers that be are succeeding more and more to keep ordinary people at each other's throats and in consequence maintain their political control over all of our lives and continue in their willful quest to destroy this beautiful planet that we all live on, and that those of us who care would dearly love to hand on to our children and their children and successive generations, because if we don't act collectively and resist the neoliberal and neo-fascist forces that it's tearing the planet apart, there won't be anything left for our children and their children. So that's what I think. And they become desperate. That's why they drown in the Mediterranean. They don't drown in the Mediterranean because they want to come and steal your pizza. They drown in the Mediterranean because they're desperate. Desperate, desperate, desperate people. And they desperately want to save their children, save their lives.